So here's the situation I'm sure every creator can relate to. You spend hours recording a voiceover, you think you nailed it, then you open up your editing software and realize, there's a silence everywhere. Pauses in between sentences, breathing room, dead air, and now you gotta zoom in and manually cut every single one of those gaps out. That's like an hour of my life I'm never getting back for a video. And I make a lot of videos apparently, or at least I try to. So I thought to myself, wait, I have this thing called OpenCode installed on my machine. What if I ask this to write a script that does this for me? And that's what we're gonna do today. Now, before we get into the actual AI stuff, here's the situation. I run Windows, but I use WSL or Windows subsystem for Linux, so I can use Linux stuff without actually committing to Linux full time. Dual boot actually scares me, okay? I've seen somebody nuke their entire system just to get it working. So I have Ubuntu running inside my Windows, and on that Ubuntu, I have OpenCode installed. OpenCode is this open source AI coding agent that's been blowing up lately. 150,000 GitHub stars, 1.6 million developers using it every month. It's basically like having a junior developer in your terminal who doesn't complain about your code. Alright, so here's what I did. I opened up my WSL terminal and typed in OpenCode, and then I just asked it. I said, and well, technically I'm paraphrasing here because I don't remember the exact wording, but I basically said, hey, I have a audio file with silence in it. Write me a Python script that detects those silent parts and cuts them out. Oh, and add crossfades so that it doesn't sound like a robot having seizures. Here's the actual session. You can see me typing out the prompt, and OpenCode just starts cooking. What's cool is it didn't just write some trash code. It actually thought about it. It asked questions. It was like, what silence threshold do you want? And I was like, bro, I don't know, you're an AI, figure it out. And it did. It used ffmpeg under the hood, which is this command line tool every video editor should know about, but nobody actually wants to learn. And it built a full script with it. Silence detection using ffmpeg, silence detect filter, crossfade between the remaining segments so it sounds smooth, configurable threshold, minimum silence duration, and all that good stuff. Let me actually show you what happened when I ran it on my audio file. So here's the command, python trim crossfade.py, and then my audio file. And it just does its thing. It tells me how many silence regions it found and what segments it's keeping, and then boom, upload file. I went from an audio file with like 4 minutes of dead silence to a clean file in about 2 seconds. Let me show you this before and after in Premiere Pro. This is the original waveform. See all those flat parts? That's silence. That's me breathing, humming, just sitting silent. That's me messing up a line and then staring at the mic like an idiot. And this is after the script ran. Clean, tight, no awkward pauses. Sounds like I actually know what I'm gonna say next. Okay, here's the original audio. So here's the situation. I'm sure every creator can relate to. You spend hours recording a voiceover, and here's the trimmed version. So here's the situation. I'm sure every creator can relate to. You spend hours recording a voiceover, you think you nailed it, then you open up your editing. It's different, right? It's the same words, just no flow. Now, let me be real for a second here. What I will do basically is just remove the silent part and then cross-dissolve them so that they look seamless or smooth. Now, the actual audio cutting part, you still have to do it yourself. I mean, technically, you can notice it in the video as well that I have a lot of parts where I messed up, a lot of parts where I'm repeating myself. So that's something that I have to still do myself, right? But removing those silent parts from the audio itself was a huge step towards editing my videos faster. Most of my time really goes into like removing those dead silent parts and then trying to like make sure that every part is not me repeating myself. But yeah, the script isn't perfect. It's like 95% there. Sometimes if the crossfade is too aggressive, it sounds a tiny bit weird at the cut part. But you know what? I would rather spend 2 minutes fixing one weird crossfade than 2 hours of manual cutting up silence. That's the math I can get behind. Also, and this is the part I actually find really cool, I can look at the code and understand what it's doing. OpenCode just didn't give me a black box. It wrote clean Python with comments and proper logic. I could tweak it if I wanted to. I could also add features. I could break it and fix it and learn from it. That's just way more useful than some AI website that spits out a file and you have no idea how it got there. So here's what I want you to take away from this video. 1. If you are a creator and you spend time editing audio, you should automate the boring parts. It's 2026. We have AI that can write code for us. Just use it. 2. OpenCode is legit. I have actually been using it for little projects like this and it saves me so much time. And best part, it's free. Like actually free. Not free for 7 days and then we charge your credit card. Free. If you have a tedious task that you do more than once, just ask an AI to automate it. The worst that could happen, it writes bad code and you learn nothing. Well, actually, yeah, that could happen. But in my case, it worked out pretty well. Right, that's the video. If you found this useful, please subscribe. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subs so I can unlock memberships and finally start making some money from this YouTube thing. Also, comment below what's one task you wish you could automate. I might actually make a video about it using OpenCode. Peace.